Hey guys, I'm Cassie Dominach, and in this week's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step facial Gua Sha tutorial. Gua Sha is a tool that's been used in Chinese medicine for over 2,500 years for different therapeutic purposes. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate it into your skincare routine. Facial Gua Sha is used by cosmetic acupuncturists and skincare experts worldwide. The tool that is used for this is a small scraping device. Mine is made out of jade stone. We use this to stimulate microcirculation of the soft tissue of the skin. Benefits of facial Gua Sha include increased collagen production and blood circulation, decreased fine lines and wrinkles, puffiness and inflammation, stimulation of the lymphatic system, and toning and tightening of the face. I'll begin by applying a few drops of facial oil onto clean, freshly washed skin on my face and neck. Facial oil is really important to make sure that the Gua Sha tool slides smoothly across the face, avoiding any tugging or pulling of the skin. The oil blend that I selected includes jojoba, rosehip, almond, and jasmine oils. I'm going to begin right below my chin here and slowly move the tool down to my collarbone to activate local lymph nodes to begin lymphatic drainage. I'm going to do this all across my neck, about 5 to 10 times in each area. Next, I'll move up to my forehead, and I'll begin right between my eyebrows here. I'm going to move the Gua Sha tool slowly and upwards toward my hairline. Next, I'll begin to move outward, moving the tool up and outwards again towards the hairline. For each area of my forehead, I'm going to do this about 5 to 10 times. Next, I'll move to my cheekbones. I begin at the outside of my nose, just below my eyelids, and move slowly outward, applying a light pressure. I want to be mindful of the delicate skin underneath my eyes, so I move the tool along my upper cheekbones, slowly controlled with an outward direction. I like to move upward and outward on the zygomatic arch here, and then I'll move downwards and continue to sculpt this area. I'll slowly work down my cheek area, repeating the same motion 5 to 10 times. Next, I will move down to my chin and work all along my jawline, moving outward for 5 to 10 strokes on each side. To finish, I will go below my chin just where we started and repeat the same downward strokes that we did in the beginning. This signals the body to flush the tissue downwards, encouraging the lymphatic drainage. I finish up by doing this 5 to 10 times across my neck. I like to do this Gua Sha facial massage about 3 to 4 times per week at night before bed. I find that it reduces my fine lines, prevents wrinkles, and leaves my skin feeling amazing. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.